Serving others with a 5-star approach is the lifeblood of our business. So when we receive a glowing review, we love to share the news. We're honored when someone takes the time to write about their personal experience like this. It's obvious that great experiences like this always make us smile. But it also serves to remind us how important it is to provide everyone with the best service possible. We believe that our future success comes from our success today. Find out how our thousands of hours of dedication and experience can help you. We would love the opportunity to make you happy too. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. Don't hesitate to call us at the number on your screen. We look forward to doing business with you.